Hello, in today's video we'll be focusing on simultaneous equations, and the first method I want to teach you is elimination method. So elimination method means you're going to eliminate one of these variables. So we have x and we have y, so we need to eliminate one of them. And when you look at y and this other y, they have the same coefficient. What is a coefficient? If you have 2y, the coefficient is 2. If you have 4x, coefficient is 4. So the number that comes before the letter. So in this case, we have y, and our aim is to get rid of the y. So we're going to do minus on both sides so that we get a 0 over here. So now we have x minus 4x, that is minus 3x, equals to 5 minus 14, that will give us minus 9. Now we're going to divide on both sides with minus 3 to get rid of the minus 3, and we get x equals to 3. Now we're going to substitute this value in one of the equations. So I'm picking the first equation, which is x plus y equals to 5. And our x is 3. So we're going to substitute this value over here. Instead of writing x, we write 3 plus y equals to 5. So now y equals to, we take 3 to the other side, and when it crosses the equal sign, it will become a minus 3. So in this case, we have y equals to 2. And if you want to check whether your answers are correct, you're allowed to substitute these two values in any of these equations. So you can use the second equation. So we have 4x, so 4 times our x is 3, so I'll just put 3 there, and then plus our y is 2 equals, so does this give us 14? Let's see. So 4 times 3, that is 12, plus 2 equals to 14. So now you can even mark for yourself, that is correct and that one is correct. Now we look at another example. So if you feel like you're ready to try this one out, you can pause the video and try it out. Okay. Now once again, we have 2y and we have 2y. But now for this one, it's a minus 2 and this one is a plus 2. So which sign are we going to apply to get a 0? So we have minus 2 and then plus 2. So what sign will give me a 0? Which sign will give me a 0 when I put it there? So it will be plus. So when you have minus 2 plus 2, this is 0. My ink is running out. Okay. So now we want to get rid of the 2y and we want to add on both sides, because that's what we have found over here. So now we have x plus 4x, that will give us 5x, and then this one will just be 0, nothing is remaining over there. And then we have 6 plus 14, that is 20. Now to find x, we're going to divide it by 5 on both sides, and x will therefore be 4. Now let's take this one and plug it in the first equation, or we substitute it in this first equation. So we have x minus 2y equals to 6. So our x is 4. So 4 minus 2y, my pen is running out, sorry, equals to 6. So 4, we take 4 to the other side of the equal sign. So now we're remaining with minus 2y equals to 6. This one will now become minus 4. Okay, we'll continue up here. So we have minus 2y equals to 6 minus 4 is 2. We divide on both sides by minus 2, minus 2. Y equals to minus 1. We can plug these two values again in our second equation and see whether we're going to get 14. Okay, so we have 4 times, so I'm using this equation. So 4 times 4, that is 16, plus 2 times minus 1, that is minus 2, and this one gives us 14. So that's correct. Okay, now for our final example, we have 5x minus 4y equals to minus 3, 3x plus y equals to 5. So you can notice that none of these equations have okay, sorry, what do I mean? Okay, what do I mean? I mean, like, over here we have 4, the coefficient is 4, and the coefficient here is 1, coefficient is 5 and 3. So in this case we need to find LCM. Yeah, so we can make 5 and 3 the same. And how can we do that? I can multiply 5 with 3 to make it 15, and then we can multiply 3 with 5 to make it 15. Okay, so now we have 5x times 3, that is 15x, minus 4 times 3, that is 12y, equals to minus 9. 15x plus 5 times y is 5y, equals to 25. Now from there, at least we have the same coefficient in x, so we can do minus on both sides to get rid of the x. So this one will give us a 0. Now we are remaining with minus 12 minus plus, so you're going to write it over here, minus 12 minus plus 5y. Yeah, okay, this one will give us a minus 12 minus 5, that is minus 17. Okay, so we have minus 17, y equals to minus 9 minus 25, that will give us a minus 34. So we divide on both sides with a minus 17, and y equals to 2. So now we substitute this value in any of these equations, so we can use the second one. So 3x, we are looking for x, 3x plus 2 equals to 5. Our y is 2, so I'm using 2 instead of y. So 3x equals to, we're taking 2 to the other side, it becomes a minus 2. And then we have 3x equals to 3 divided by 3 on both sides, x equals to 1. So we have 2, y equals to 2, and we have x equals to 1. When you substitute these two values, you get both answers correct. So we can actually try that one out. So we can use the second equation. So 3x, that will be 3 times 1 plus 2. Does this one give us 5? Yes, it does. And that's how you do it. So in the next video, we'll look at simultaneous equation, and we'll solve now by substitution. I hope this video helps you a lot, and thank you for watching. You can leave a comment, and you can subscribe and share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.